In the world of professional photography, there is a distinct line. On one side, you have tools, mass-produced pieces of plastic and silicon designed to capture data. On the other side, you have icons. For over a century, one name has sat comfortably on the throne of that second category, untroubled by the frantic rat race of the digital age. That name is Leica. But even for a brand defined by its history, something radical is happening. We are currently standing at the dawn of the most anticipated release in the modern history of the RED. This is the Leica Q4. And if the leaks are to be believed, it isn't just an update to a camera, it is the perfection of an obsession. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. To understand the weight of the Leica Q4, you have to understand the phenomenon of the Q series. When the original Q launched, it was a gamble. A fixed-lens, full-frame camera that cost as much as a used car? The critics were skeptical. But then, people started shooting with it. They felt the weight of the brass, the click of the aperture ring, and most importantly, they saw the Leica glow. The Q series became the one-camera solution for the world's most elite street photographers, travelers, and storytellers. Now, as we move into 2026, the Q4 is arriving to answer a question that has haunted the community. How do you improve upon a masterpiece without losing its soul? The heart of the Leica Q4 is a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of physics. For the first time in a compact body, we are seeing the integration of a 64-megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor. But don't let the numbers fool you. Leica has never been about pixel peeping for the sake of it. This new sensor is about triple-resolution technology taken to its absolute limit. Imagine being able to switch between 64, 36, and 18 megapixels natively, using the full sensor area for each. It gives the photographer the ability to choose between ultimate detail for a gallery print or ultimate low-light performance for a dimly lit jazz club in New Orleans. It's like having 3 different cameras in a single pocketable frame. But the real magic, the thing that will make every professional's heart skip a beat, is the lens. The Summilux 28mm f/1.7 has been the crown jewel of the Q series since day one. It is, quite simply, one of the greatest pieces of glass ever engineered. For the Q4, rumors suggest a subtle but profound optical redesign. We aren't just talking about sharpness, we are talking about micro-contrast. The way the Q4 renders light isn't just accurate, it's poetic. It's the difference between a clinical record of a moment and a memory that feels alive. When you wide open that f/1.7 lens on the Q4, the subject doesn't just stand out, they are sculpted out of the background. Let's address the biggest change in Q4, intelligence. Leica purists often scoff at AI, but the Q4 is implementing Maestro for processing in a way that respects the artist. The new hybrid autofocus system isn't just fast, it's intuitive. It utilizes eye detection that has been trained on thousands of hours of classic portraiture. It knows where the soul of the image lies. Whether you are capturing a fleeting moment on the streets of New York or a candid smile at a wedding, the Q4 locks on with a silent, ghostly precision that ensures you never miss the decisive moment. This isn't technology for the sake of technology, it is technology in service of the eye. Ergonomics have always been Leica's secret weapon. The Q4 takes